this and that.
And
Heather. Okay, anyways, well, we made this, and
it's really gross.
really disgusting. And we decorated them to make them look pretty. We use food coloring. That's why I'm agreeing. We're not that. It's not moldy or anything. But I wrote yummy really good. And I put an arrow with this, thinking that it would be good. My dad's probably gonna try and go. Bleh, bleh. So I decorate that one and I decorate that one. It says I love you, and it says, and that one's just squiggly lines random.
The one I made was
But these will
said
harden.
TMS.
This will harden, and then yeah.
Yeah.
But it's so good. Yep. And we'll just see if my brother tries them.
Yeah.
We're gonna go up to Playgear. Do you want a cookie? So yeah.
Yeah. Now we gotta clean up the mess.
He's gonna be like, "What'd you do to them?" Be like, "Nothing."
Okay, say bye. This is our cookie story. So green cookies.
Green. Ah, your tongue is green.
Okay.
No.
Say bye.
What does it look like when I do this?
Black.
Oh.
It's really black. Stop making out with the camera. Annette is not gonna make out with you back.
Okay, well, on my shirt.